Dry cracked lips, let me show you a simple but powerful lip balm formula that you can make right at home. This same kind I use during the Harmattan season, and we all know that we are in the dry Harmattan season. It melts into the lips and locks in hydration for hours. As a mom and a skincare formulator, I've learned something. Sometimes the simplest formulas work the hardest. This hydrating lip balm is rich, it's moisturizing, and it's protective. And the best part, you only need a few ingredients to create this luxury lip balm. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I teach you about your skin, the science behind skincare formulation, and everything you need to know to have a glowy, healthy, beautiful skin. Now, whether you're a skincare enthusiast, a beginner formulator, or you simply want something that actually works, this recipe is simple, it's effective, and it is beginner friendly. So if you like to see how I made this beautiful product, please keep on watching. Now, here are the products that we're going to use today for this beautiful product. First of all, you need your heat resistant beaker or container. This is a heat resistant glass cup or jar. And then you also need a stirring rod, a spoon, something to, mix your product together. Now, our first ingredient is beeswax, and beeswax is used here to create structure in this product and also to help lock in moisture. Now, beeswax has a skin protection property. It helps to create protective barrier on the skin and provides a very beautiful moisturizing benefit to the skin. And it also has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to stop the skin from cracking, from swelling, and also exhibit some antibacterial properties as well. Next, we have shea butter, and shea butter is used here as a nourishing and softening agent, right? Now, shea butter helps to soften the skin, it helps to smooth dry skin, which makes this product very, very key in this formula. It has anti inflammatory properties that can help with swelling, redness that is associated with things like burns, like eczema, and all of that. It also contains vitamin A and vitamin E, which helps to protect the skin cells. Now, our next ingredient is coconut wax, and coconut wax is said to have moisturizing and skin softening properties, making it a very popular ingredient in products like lip balms, body butters, creams, and all of that. Now, if you're looking for something that is natural and is vegan, coconut wax is derived entirely from coconut oil, which makes it a natural, vegan, and eco friendly option, and it gives the product a very smooth texture, a rich, creamy consistency. Next, we have paraffin oil. Now, paraffin oil is a very powerful moisturizer and it helps to protect the skin's barrier, particularly for dry, rough, and cracked skin, which is why we're using it here. Next on our list, we have petroleum jelly, which is used here again as a skin barrier protectant that helps to prevent moisture loss, and it also helps to smooth dry skin and aid the healing of minor cuts or cracks or burns that you may have experienced in this period. And next we have plant oil, which is jojoba oil that I'm using here. You can use any other oil of your choice, but I'm using jojoba oil. Now let's get right into the video. Now this is a 50-gram batch. You can easily multiply it to make more if you want. Now we're going to start by adding our shea butter into our bowl. Now we're adding these ingredients first because they are the hardest to dissolve, right? So we're adding our shea butter, our coconut wax into our bowl, and we're also adding um, our beeswax. Now you can definitely play around with this formula. I am using this formula because this is a classic lip balm formula, where you can definitely alternate and create something unique using other kinds of butters, cocoa butter, cocoa butter, and all of that. So this is what we have. And next, we're using going to use a double boiler because it melts everything gently without burning the oils. Now keep the heat low to medium, don't forget. So we're using this to dissolve our butter. Like I said, keep the heat low and then go in at intervals to check on the product. Once your solids are almost melted, add in your petroleum jelly and your liquid paraffin oil. These blend in smoothly and creates that soft protective layer on your skin that we are looking for and that we love. Okay, now if you like to see me create a more medical or cosmeceutical version of this lip balm, which is going to be a more advanced formula, let me know. But this is a beginner friendly formula, so it is the formula for everybody. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my paraffin wax. Remember I said we're adding these here because we don't want to spoil the integrity of these oils, so we're adding them towards the end of the when the product is dissolving. Go ahead and mix that thoroughly. If your water is still hot, just leave the beaker in the water and everything will dissolve eventually. But if you think it's not hot enough, you can pop it back on the stove and just give it a few seconds to heat up again. Now, as you can see here, our product is beautifully dissolved and everything is well incorporated. Now that everything has dissolved completely, you're going to take the beaker out of the warm water or the hot water, and we're going to make sure that everything is thoroughly dissolved. Now you want to check the temperature of your product. We want our temperature to be around 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, but you can see there that we have 53. So we're going to keep stirring this product until we get to our desired temperature. Once you hit your desired temperature, go ahead and stir in your um jojoba oil or any other oil that you want to add. I don't want the product to be too complicated, so I'm just going to add my jojoba oil, which will help to add shine and help the balm, glide beautifully. Now you can stop there, or you can go ahead to add a nice um um scent or essential oil. Here I am adding bubblegum um fragrance just to give the product a beautiful blend of scent, because my shea butter is very strong. It's a very, very strong shea butter, unadulterated shea butter, so it has that shea smell. So I'm trying to mask that and balance it out with the bubblegum fragrance, and it's beautiful. Now you want to go ahead and take a tin. You can put it in a tin, you can put it in a jar. That's how beautiful this consistency is. This will help you create versatile products. You can either store your products in a tin jar like what you see, or you can take a tube like what you're seeing here and take a syringe and just store it in there. It is easier to put it in the jar, but the tube would help to keep the product safe, if that makes sense. Okay, so go ahead and store it in your desired jar or desired storage, and that's it. You are done. Capiche? All good. Like I said earlier, if you are just seeing my videos for the first time, please take your time to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if it was beneficial to you or you learned something. And if you like to see more videos like this and you don't want to miss any of our posts, please turn on the post notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video. Let the product cool down completely before closing the lid, and within 30 to 60 minutes, you have a soft, creamy, long lasting lip balm. So you can see how beautiful this product is. It actually glides out of the tube beautifully. It is not too soft, it is not too hard. It's just beautiful as it is. This balm is rich but not heavy. It is smooth but not oily, and it is perfect for dry, cracked lips, especially during this Harmattan or the cold weather if you're in the abroad. This balm can last up to 12 months because the ingredients are very stable. Now, if your balm is too soft, add 0.5 to 1 gram more beeswax next time you make it. Or if it's too hard, increase your oil and it will be stable. um and that's it, my loves. Thank you so much. Your classic hydrating lip balm made from pure simple ingredients. If you like the medicated version or a vegan version, let me know and I'll film that next. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, let me know what other videos you want me to do. Leave them in the comment section. And we still have our giveaway from our last video. So if you haven't seen that video, please go and watch that video. Thank you guys. Bye.